Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm at Apex 2014. I'm joined by Mark Whitmore from DEK. Mark, thanks for stopping by.
You're welcome.
Last day, but you've spent the last 2 days talking to people about Printlab and showing them the nice interactive model you've got on the booth. Tell me a bit about the model and how it works and what people have been talking to you about.
Okay, well, just looking forward, Phil, the electronic assembly industry or the process is not going to get any easier. There's a lot of challenges coming up, and it's going to place greater demands on the printing process. So the Printlab concept at DEK, it's a global team of process engineers, dedicated process engineers focused on print process expertise to help provide solutions to the industry and to our customers. And we've been sharing a lot of that knowledge this week, through various forms. We've had the Printlab Global Solutions Centre on the booth, where customers have been coming in to talk through their issues, concerns and challenges with our print experts. Also back on Tuesday, seems such a long time ago now, Clive Ashmore presented our latest technical findings on miniaturisation solutions for the automotive industry in a technical session. And back on the booth, we've been presenting our Printlab 2020 vision.
Okay, and the 2020 vision is the year 2020 or it's 2020 vision?
Right,
so
let me explain this. The Printlab 2020 vision is DEK's perspective on the current state of the industry and current and future requirements, and the future challenges as well. And it's also a statement of DEK's capabilities and its intent for the future as well. And we always round off these sessions with a vision of what a printer might look like in 2020.
Okay, that's really fascinating, because you look at what's going on in terms of miniaturization, you look at these 03015s that I can't even see, and you wonder, can print keep improving, or actually, I think of DEK as being this kind of pre-placement solution. So however you deposit the paste, it kind of doesn't matter as long as you get it in the right place. So are you looking at almost alternatives beyond print?
We're looking at extending the current print process. People are familiar and happy with the current print process, but we are hitting a bit of a technology wall. The industry can print with aperture error ratios down to, I would say, 0.5 currently. And looking ahead for some of these more challenging components, then we need to start pushing those boundaries. And DEK, we've been working on technologies such as proactive, etc., to extend that capability all the way down to 0.4. And looking even further ahead to 2020, then we're going to push those boundaries even further.
Okay. And I noticed that, and not just on your booth, but the theme of automotive comes through in what Clive's doing. Are automotive customers the customers that are making the most technology demands? Because traditionally we think of maybe smartphones and this kind of smaller devices as putting more pressure on.
It's funny you mention that, because the challenges they're facing are pretty much the same as in the smartphone market as well. It's just on a different scale. They're having to deal with an increasing range of components, so heterogeneous assembly, and that's a challenge for any particular market. And again, we've been working on technologies to accommodate that, and that's part of what Clive's presentation was about. And their demands for reliability, for a robust service, are even greater, aren't they? Well, that's right. There's greater emphasis placed on reliability for the automotive market, obviously.
Okay, and you've been rolling it out here. I guess you're next Shanghai next for the.
So next one around is NEPCON Shanghai, and then on to SN2 Nuremberg as well. So busy times for the Printlab.
Busy times. I look forward to seeing you at both of those. Thanks for stopping by, Mark.
Okay, thanks, Phil.
Thank you.
Cheers.